Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Louis Vuitton bag from okafai.ru. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post, and let's get straight into it. So if you don't already know, okafai.ru is an online luxury website that specializes in high quality reps. So they have a variety of designers on their site, such as Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, all kinds of different designers that we like and love, and they make them at the quality of what's in the real actual stores. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. So it does come with the box for you, and it does show like a little description of the item on the side. I actually picked this item out for my husband for his birthday because I know he likes these kind of bags. Like, he has other bags that are not designer, but they're literally the shape of this bag, so I was like, he might as well get a Louis one. So it does come like this. You do get a dust bag, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So this is in the Damier Ebene print, and it is in the black shade. So this is really nice quality. I feel like this is really good for the holidays too. Like, ladies, if you're looking for a gift for your man, a lot of them love this crossbody bag that goes across their chest. So this is really nice. The quality of it looks really good. So this is the front of the bag. You do get this really big zipper to store things in. Go ahead and take that out for him. You do get this big front zipper. The quality of the bag's really nice. It does say LV on the zipper. So nice. And then you do have another zipper here. You open it up, take that out, and it says Louis Vuitton on the inside. And it does have this one pocket in here, and then it has plenty of space inside the actual bag. Like, it's really spacious, so he can store whatever he wants in here. And then it does have LV on this detailing here. It has a adjustable strap, so he can fit it to his chest as he pleases, or he can even unhook it here if he doesn't want this on there. So I thought that was nice. Or it unhooks so he can switch the sides. So it does have these two sides, and he can unhook it and just adjust it to whatever side he wants to wear. So I feel like that's really nice. The clasp on there is good. And these are the sides of the bag. And this is the bottom of the bag. So the bag is constructed really nice. I surprised him with this. He did not know he was getting it, and when he unboxed it and saw it, he was really pleased. He liked it. He felt like the quality was good because he actually has a real Louis Vuitton, like the little key pouch, the key pouch coin thing in this print, so it matches with what he already owns, and the quality looks nice. So really like this. So if you guys are interested in some high quality reps, I definitely recommend Okafai. I will have them linked in the description box below, plus a discount code, so you guys can go head over there and shop. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.